We continue now at the top of Daf Samech Vav Amid Beis in Meseches Nazir. This is Nazir Daf 66b. The Gemara said that Rav said to Chia, his son, Chatof uvarich, you should be quick, and you should be the one to take the koshal bracha, and you should make the bracha. The point being over here, it's better to be the one that makes the bracha than the one that is reciting Amen. V'chein amar le Rav Huna le Rabba Berei. Similarly, Rav Huna said to Rabba, his son, Chatof uvarich, you should be quick and be the one to make the bracha. The Gemara says, L'meimra de mevarich adif. Does that mean to say that it's better to be the one to make the bracha than the ones who are answering and listening and saying Amen? V'atanya, but didn't we learn in a brayser? Rabbi Yossi Omer, Rabbi Yossi says, Gadol ha'ona Amen, Yoser min ha'mevarich. It's greater that says Amen more than the one who makes the bracha. V'yamar le Rabbi Nahoroi, and Rabbi Nahoroi said to him, Hashamayim, by heaven, kachu, it is like this. Teida, you should know, Sharei Gulariim Mizgarin b'milchama v'giborim notzchen. It's the common soldiers. They're the ones that go out, they start the war, and then the giborim, they're the ones that are ultimately victorious, meaning to say that's like the person who answers Amen, who follows the regular soldiers, that's even greater. Rashi says, V'teida shukach sharei gulyarin chalosh, and the weak ones, miskarin v'melchama tchila, they start the war. V'yachar kach giborim boin v'notzchen, and then the giborim come along and they're victorious. Afkan soto over here, ha'ona Amen, bo la'achar mevorach, the person says Amen after the mevorach u'menatseach, lomar shona Amen meshubach min ha'mevorach. He's the one that's victorious. It means to say that the person who answers Amen is greater, is more praiseworthy than the one who actually makes the bracha. So here you see the opposite. You see that the answering of Amen is greater than the mevarich. And the Gemara answers Tanoi, it's actually machlokas Tanoim. The Tanya, as we learned in a braysa, echad ha'mevarich ve'echad ha'ona Amen b'mashma. The pasuk when it says Gadlu la'shamiti and Ram Mashmo Yachtav, so Gadlu la'shamiti, that's a reference to the bracha, and the Ram Mashmo Yachtav, that's a reference to the Amen. It is again the pasuk's a reference to both the mevarich and the Amen. Ela shemimarin lemevarich tchila, but it comes the schar, the reward, it goes more quickly to the one who actually makes the bracha. And the Gemara continues, Amar Rebbe Lazar says, Amar Rebbe Chanina, the Rebbe Chanina says, Talmidei Chachamim marbim shalom ba'olam, Talmidei Chachamim, they increase peace in the world, Shenemar, like the pasuk says, V'chol banayich, limudei Hashem v'rav shalom banayich. And in the Girsa in Meseches Brachas it says, Isa al tikrei bonayich ela bonayich. Don't read the pasuk as bonayich, but rather bonayich, those who build you. Again, it's a reference to the Talmidei Chachamim, Rav Shalom, that they increase the peace that is in the world. Hadran Allah hakusim ein lahem nazirus, so slik Allah Meseches Nazir. This is the conclusion of Meseches Nazir. If you're enjoying these videos and this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And please take a look at the description box below to see how you can support this channel. And in the next video, we will begin on Daf Beis Amid Aleph in Meseches Sota.